look at this, guys. I mean, this thing bounced off this 40,300 so perfectly. I'm not a financial advisor. What did it hit off of? 40,000. Well, 242. It actually wicked underneath it a little bit. But I think that might be what these were. What was this? 20,204. Okay. 20,204. Exact dollar. Look at that. Well, that's, yeah, 40,204. 40,204. And this one.
41.2.
41,242. And this is why you always set your orders slightly above exactly where you want it to go. Because just because it goes there on one exchange doesn't mean that your exchange is going to be the one where it hits. Sometimes there's slight arbitrage opportunities there, and some orders fill and some don't. So to me, another bounce off the same exact level, which, by the way, is actually a higher low. It's actually a higher low, this is. To me, I'm still sticking with what I said. I'm not 100% convinced that we're going to fill this gap, even though it seems completely obvious. How many times is it going to bounce off this? The question is, where's it going from here? And you look and you say, if we get a bounce here, okay, the first time it hit, we went all the way up to here, okay? Second time it hit, went all the way up to here. Third time it hit, guys, we're going to crack 50K, I think. I'm actually getting bullish right now. Can you believe that?
I like that.
Can you believe I'm actually bullish right now?
Well, no, I mean, it makes sense. I mean, we know what's coming at us, right?
Yes.
Like, it just seems like this might be part of the playbook, because if you look at like liquidations and how they flush it out, like, it just seems like that's all just cleared out, run it up, cleared out, run it up.
Yep. So I definitely think that's what we're gonna see. But if it goes back up there, remember, it might come back down here. So if it does go back up to 50, maybe you want to set some take profits and some stop losses and a lot of profit there. Probably be a good move. So let's go ahead right now. I think we have something very important to show you guys. It's Armstrong Crypto X. It's brought to you by Stake, the #1 social casino in the world. All you got to do is scan the QR code on the screen. Bitcoin bulls target 50K. Nugget Rush and Bonk vie for dominance. Nugget Rush. Check this out, guys. Nugget Rush may rally after launching. What? How is a coin that hasn't even launched vying for dominance?
Well, they paid to be in the Bitcoin article.
That's 100% right, guys. So look at this. Analysts say it offers a better alternative to Bonk. I called this segment shilling time because this is now the part in this market where the crypto media companies are showing you stuff. The crypto media companies are showing you all this stuff. And it's really sad. Cathie Wood challenges JP Morgan CEO's Bitcoin critique. She came out firing against Jamie Dimon. See what she had to say. Jamie Dimon, of course, called Bitcoin worthless and a hyped up fraud. Cathie Wood's data disputes Dimon's assertion. Don't hit the like button, guys, by the way, if you guys like when we cover these kinds of stories. Today, JPM's Jamie Dimon called blockchain technology small and added the Bitcoin, a derivative of blockchain technology, is the equivalent of a pet rock. Data flies in the face of Jamie's description, as Yazine Ark, our director of digital assets, highlights right here. Talking about the Bitcoin hash rate hitting all-time high. Now, used to, all-time high for hash rate usually meant all-time high for Bitcoin, not right now. And when we get in the bull market, it might mean that again. Bitcoin's market performance tells a different story, blah, 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 blah. Let's see, what did she say about it, though? Does she have any other quotes other than just pointing to that? Looks like not really. She really let him have it. I tell you what, somebody's itching for some clickbait today. Cardano, top analyst predicts Cardano price to $7. Who is it that said it? Ali Martinez, the most quoted person on crypto. Is this guy, you know what this guy must do? This guy has to send all of his charts into all these places. Has to. Like,
it only makes sense.
This is not the most famous, greatest trader in crypto. I'm not saying, I'm sure he's good. I mean, he makes a lot of comments. Definitely seems to know what he's doing. Don't want to be rude to the guy because I don't know him. I mean, unless he talked bad about me, then screw that guy. So, but anyways, Ali Martinez said he expects ADA price to achieve $7 as the crypto's chart has been mirroring the 2020 trend. I think that's something we need to look at, is overlaying some of these trends. Martinez found a similar pattern in Cardano's current consolidation phase. The 2021 bull run propelled Cardano's price gain about 3,000%. Analysts noted if it repeats itself, it'll hit $7. I think $7 is definitely in the cards. I can't remember what was my Cardano price prediction. Bull case, $18. I think $11.